Have you ever wanted to know what your friends and family think about a certain topic or situation? Or maybe you want to get their opinion on which restaurant to go to for dinner? Well, you can create a poll on WhatsApp, and here's how. Creating a poll in WhatsApp seems like something out of a WhatsApp tips and tricks list. It's easy and only takes a few seconds. All you need is the latest version of WhatsApp. Here are the steps for creating a poll in WhatsApp. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Now with WhatsApp open, let's open any chat box of choice. Tap on the plus icon in the line with the text box on iOS. Or if you're using an Android device, then this is the paperclip icon. Once you've selected one of these, either on the Android or the iPhone, select poll from the list of options. Enter your poll questions in the questions field. Then add up to 12 answers in the options selection below. When you're done, tap Send at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once created, your poll will be sent as an attachment in the chat window, just like sending any other message or image in WhatsApp, and all users will be able to see it and vote for their preferred option. When everyone has voted, click View Vote at the bottom of your message, and you can view a summary of how everyone responded. This makes it easy for you to analyse results quickly and efficiently. Creating polls in WhatsApp can be used for anything, such as asking people what their favourite colour is or what they're doing for the weekend. Creating polls via WhatsApp is an effortless way to get opinions from family and friends quickly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one, and thanks for watching.